Welkom bij de Drunken Barbecue. Fasten your seatbelt as in just a few minutes I shall show you how to smoke cheeses till perfection without melting it. First of all you need beer and some cheeses you like. Alright, here we go. First of all you set your beer aside as this comes in handy at a later point of this cheese smoking process. But stay tuned as I will tell you exactly when to need it. Now back to the cheeses. You take your cheese and cut this in snack size strips. I like them 1 inch wide and 2 inches thick, and the length is up to you. For your non-imperial people, this is 1 by 2 inches, is 2.5 by 5 centimeters. That's right. Cut all the cheeses you have in snack size strips. That's looked so good. Now it's time to set up your smoker. It doesn't matter what kind of smoker you use as long as you can keep the temperature well below the 90 Fahrenheit. That is about 30 Celsius. And this is important, as otherwise your cheese will melt. I'm using an indirect smoker and use the snow to cool down the smoke. God, you gotta love those Canadian winters. They come in so handy. The good thing of smoking is you can always add something else you would like to make. In this case I am making smoked devil eggs, so I add the eggs. You can see how to make these in one of my other videos. And now all you need to do is let smoke and time do its work. Smoke the cheese for say about 2 hours, or a little longer if you prefer a more heavier flavor. And do you remember that beer you set aside before you started cutting the cheese? Now it's time to crack them and relax. When 2 hours gone by, you take the cheeses out of the smoker. Ta-da! Look at that. That looks so good, eh? Well, you're wrong if you thought that was it. The next step is to wrap the cheese strips in parchment paper and store them in the fridge for say 2 days, so the cheese can breathe and the thick, sharp smoke smell can mellow down a little. Guys, it's a little work, but pretend you're wrapping up Christmas presents for yourself. I can't wait. I would love to try one. After 2 days of resting in the fridge, it's time to vacuum pack the snack strips and store them again in the fridge. This will give the smoke a chance to render through the whole snack strip. I'm sure you're going to be curious how it will taste like. And when you're like me, you will try some cheese during every step of the process. There you go, guys. Here are your own smoked cheese strips, and I hope you're going to enjoy them as much as I do mine. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and please leave a comment below with what you like or you don't like. Happy grilling!